We've just had the first proper taste of winter the past few days, but the real question is, can we expect snow this coming weekend? Let's have a look. As a meteorologist, I always start by looking at the bigger picture to better understand what weather patterns are currently affecting South Africa. And it's clear to see that we've got an area of low pressure south of the country and this Atlantic high pressure system slowly making its way to South Africa. These two different areas of pressure is basically pushing against each other, forming this steep gradient pressure along the coastal areas that will result in gusting winds on Wednesday as well as into Thursday over the coastal areas. And then closer to the weekend, a reaching high will also transport lots of cold and moist air over the eastern parts of the country. And there's also a high likelihood of a cut of low forming over the central parts of South Africa, dramatically and drastically dropping the temperatures as well as the freezing levels. Therefore, yes, there is the likelihood of the first snow falling for the season, but mainly over the high mountainous areas of Lesotho as well as the Drakensberg. The system is still a few days away and can change drastically, so the Vox Weather team will continue to keep you updated. But for this Wednesday, a front-like system forming due to that low pressure system south of the country, we are expecting more light rain over parts of the Western Cape and the Southern Cape coastline, with only isolated showers possible in parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well as over the northern coast. Another cloudy day ahead for the Western Cape, with only light rain possible over the Peninsula, Cape Town, parts of the Winans and Overberg, and a westerly wind picking up. It's going to be quite chilly and windy, especially along the Southern Cape coastline, temperatures remaining below 20 degrees. Also a windy day for the Karoo and a gusting westerly wind at times for Nelson Mandela Bay. Fresh southwesterly winds also spreading along the coast of the Eastern Cape on Wednesday, with a high of 22 degrees in East London. Cloudy at first, with foggy patches in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and onshore flow, pushing in more light showers and a likelihood of a few thunderstorms bubbling up over the northern coastline. But it's a sunny and dry Wednesday for Mpumalanga, with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s for the high veld, becoming hot in the low veld with a high of 36 degrees in Skukuza. Also soaring to 36 degrees in Messina, peaking at 30 in Thohoyandou, and a lovely, sunny and very warm day for Limpopo. Also becoming warm the afternoon in northwest, with temperatures in the mid-20s and a westerly wind blowing at times. It's cold at first in the Northern Cape and becoming windy the afternoon, with also a gusting westerly wind blowing, especially in parts of the Karoo. Windy conditions later for the Free State, lots of sunshine expected. It's a dry Wednesday with temperatures remaining in the lower to mid-20s. And then a dry and sunny Wednesday for Gauteng, 26 in Pretoria and 24 expected in Johannesburg. Into Thursday, we're expecting that gusting southwesterly winds to spread along the east coast. More showers expected over KwaZulu-Natal and remaining quite cool and windy over the central parts of the country. And then on a Friday, an upper level chart will transport a few thunderstorms over the northern and central parts of South Africa. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.